Why does figuring out what to eat for your fitness goals seem so much harder than doing the actual workout? Meal planning was supposed to make life easier, but it actually, for most people, feels like you've added on a second job. My name is Caroline Drury, and I am the co-founder of MacroPath. As a fitness coach, I have seen people be able to slay their consistency in the gym, but the meal planning, the meal prep, macros, figuring it all out is where people bump into the biggest amount of problems. It is not that they are not intelligent enough to figure out macros or to figure out meal prep. It's just that in our busy lives, we are at max capacity with what we have time and ability to be able to do. And that's why myself and my partner, who was actually one of my one-on-one clients, Megan, that's why we founded MacroPath. MacroPath is the just tell me what to eat app. We set out to solve the biggest problem in fitness for you. Just telling you what to eat, simple, whole foods, no recipes, just meals based on your macros for your personalized goals. Most people don't fail the diet or the nutrition part of their fitness plan because they don't know what protein is. Most people fail on the nutrition side of their journey because they're put in a position to have to choose 28 more recipes a week, and all of those recipes with 17 ingredients. It just gets too complicated and it creates more tension in their lives when fitness is actually supposed to relieve tension. This is what we call decision fatigue, and it is the #1 killer of consistency. Traditional macro and calorie trackers, they still make you track everything. They make you log it. They make you take a picture of it. They make you do it as you go. You still don't have an actual plan to hit your protein goal, hit your calorie goal, know what meals you're going to eat that day. With traditional trackers, you are always playing catch up. With MacroPath, you are having your macros set for your goals. You're having an AI coach you to those goals. And you're having a meal plan that is just telling you what to eat, planning in advance. So all you have to do is execute, meal prep and execute. So many of our early testers of MacroPath are saving 2 to 3 hours a week on their meal planning and nutrition part of their fitness journey. And here's why. Instead of asking you to do the math, we at MacroPath are giving you the meals that just hit your macros. Instead of rigid PDF meal plan templates, we're giving you flexible swaps and flexible options for when life happens. And then MacroPath figures it out for you. And instead of making nutrition stressful, MacroPath simplifies. We are still testing MacroPath, but I wanted to give you a taste of what early testers are finding with it. This is what we knew to be true of MacroPath. Myself, my co-founder Megan, we are so excited to bring this to all of you. It is for you. It is for your husbands. It is for your wives, if you're a man watching this. It is for your athletic children. It is for anybody who wants to know what to eat for their goals and then just be told what foods they need to eat to make up the meals for those goals. Simplify, not stress. So if you want to come along for the journey, hit subscribe, follow MacroPath, find us on all the social media channels, send us a note. We're so excited to bring you MacroPath, and we're excited to launch it soon.